Welcome to the Unity Certified Developer courseware. In this courseware, we'll build a complete game project, our Zombie Toys game. We'll start by learning about the game production pipeline, the game industry, and the economics of game development. Then we'll create a new Unity project and project ID, download our content from the Assets Store, and start building our Zombie Toys game. Along the way, we'll learn about project structure, importing, categorizing, and organizing assets, and level design, preparing assets for implementation and physics, putting materials on, and building our game level. We'll light our level, bring in animated characters, and implement them in the game. We'll look at scripting, navigation and pathfinding, building our player and our enemy characters, and particle systems for 4 brand new attacks. We'll implement audio, we'll look at user interface design, and finally, we'll build the game for PC. And then we'll take a brief look at optimizing this game for mobile development. This courseware will help prepare you for the Unity Certified Developer exam and give you a good foundational knowledge in the Unity platform. So let's get started building our Zombie Toys game.